La 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 la. Gloria. That's right. I am on La Gloria. Big skies, an acre of land, pure Texas charm. Take a look.
Escape to country living without giving up convenience. This 2020 home on 1.2 acres offers the privacy of a rural setting with the accessibility of city amenities. The open floor plan connects the kitchen, living, and dining areas, making it great for family gatherings. You gain 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a large primary suite. Located on the North Loop, you have easy access to major employers like Amazon, Bell, and Pantex. This property is perfect for a first-time buyer looking for space, modern construction, and an affordable lifestyle.
That's the La Gloria lifestyle. Wide open spaces and full of sunshine. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.